How to recover your forgotten Grindr password. So you have forgotten your Grindr password, huh? Don't sweat it. It happens to best of us. Let's get you back into your account. First things first, let's open the Grindr app. Here you can see my Grindr app. Simply tap on it. Now you can see the login screen. Here you can see a lot of options. There's an option for the email, phone, and Facebook, Google, etc. As we are going to recover the forgotten Grindr password, what you have to do is simply just write the email address right over here like this, then tap on the password. So basically recovering your forgotten Grindr password means you don't know the password right over here. Now what you have to do is simply tap on this forget password right over here, tap on it. Now you have to enter your Grindr email that you have linked to your account. Let's fill it up, then tap on next. It's checking if I'm not robot, I'm the robot or not. Let's bear with me. As you can see, it have sent my email for the link to reset the password. Let's go to the Gmail. There's no message of the Grindr, but that's the process that you can use in order to recover your forgotten Grindr password. That means it's not giving the recovery password. And let's go to the spam. The spam is also empty. That means it's not possible to recover your forgotten Grindr password, but the easiest thing that you can do is log in through the Google, and you don't even have to enter your password right over here. Simply tap on Google, then select the Gmail account, give the additional access to the Google account if you wanted to, and if not, simply leave it as it is, then tap on continue, and we are inside it. So it should be noted it's not possible to recover your forgotten Grindr password. That's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.